Welcome to our channel. If you want to save money fast for an emergency or specific goal, follow this simple guide to boost your savings quickly. Step 1. Cancel or pause unused subscriptions immediately, including streaming services, gym memberships, software subscriptions, and delivery services you don't regularly use. Step 2. Implement a spending freeze for 30 days where you only purchase absolute necessities like groceries and bills, eliminating all discretionary spending. Step 3. Sell items you no longer need or use through Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, or local consignment shops to generate quick cash for savings. Step 4. Switch to generic brands for groceries, toiletries, and household items, which often cost 20–40% less than name brands with comparable quality. Step 5. Reduce energy costs by lowering thermostat settings, unplugging unused devices, using cold water for laundry, and air drying dishes instead of using heated dry. Step 6. Meal prep all your meals for the week to avoid expensive takeout, restaurant meals, and convenience foods that drain your budget quickly. Step 7. Challenge yourself to no-spend days where you don't purchase anything at all, gradually increasing the frequency to build discipline and boost savings. Step 8. Transfer saved money immediately to a separate savings account to prevent spending it accidentally and watch your balance grow rapidly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.